And we're back! I believe I grabbed my heart. Yep. We have freed Khan's brother, so I guess the only thing to do is go celebrate. You want to return to your world now? No, I want to stand in the empty room forever. Okay, let's get out of here.
Oh!
Zelda, try. Where were you? Khan was worried not being able to find you anywhere. You left so fast. Oh, the mountain, it's clean. It's clean everywhere. What? You two took care of all that dark gunk, then you two cleaned the mountain. Wow, thank you. That makes Khan happy. But what's wrong, Khan? You and Zelda are better at being good than Khan is. Much better. Big brother wouldn't be so disappointed if Khan was as good as you two. He's not disappointed in you at all, Khan. Don't lose spirit over any of this. Your brother said he wanted to take you on adventures with him someday. What do you mean? So Big Brother is still on his adventure. Khan was only seeing the back of some big monster. Khan feels better. But you've waited so long for him to come back. Aren't you sad that he's not back yet? Not at all. His adventure isn't over yet. That means he'll be back when it is. But you're back to waiting again. Only until he comes home, and he will, so Khan can wait forever. Is Trey worried about Khan? Just wanted to make sure you stay in good spirits, Khan. You helped Zelda during that big snowstorm, after all. Well, Khan will try to stay in good spirits as long as Zelda and Trey stay in good spirits. Thank you for telling me about Big Brother. I'm glad you're feeling your normal self again, Khan. I'm glad you're feeling like your normal self again, Khan. Khan has never felt more like himself. Good spirits, great spirits. Yay. I do like Khan. I don't want to leave him. Can we take him with us? Hooray! Looks like Khan really is back to his usual happy self. I hope his brother comes home soon. Glad we're finally able to take care of the rift on Holy Mountain Nehru. Now we have that sanction from the goddess Nehru too. Last trip to that Alden volcano, right? If we keep it up a little longer, Zelda will have all the rifts taken care of. Oh, that's right. We got Lord Jump to do last time, huh? Okay, we gotta get there. So I think the best way is to go here and then walk up. Wait, do I have enough blue crystals to upgrade something before we leave the waypoint? Land of the Goddesses. Quest updated. Da-ba-dee-da-ba-da. Don't need that. I will go with that. Yeah, so we have 13 white crystals. That should be enough to upgrade something, right? Oh, we have to have a... something that echo that makes snow, right? Like, there's no way we didn't grab one. Question is, what do we grab? Race keys? No? Okay. Ah, you big babies. I have an ice block, does that count? No, cloud doesn't count. No, let's just keep going. I probably never used it, right? We got that. We have Wolfos, Moa. freeze. Not supposed to settle for ice? And then we freeze it. Ice and snow are the same thing, right? I don't know what he wants then. Where's the map? There's gotta be something that I forgot to activate. What about you? Okay, you're not an interactable object. That would be going through there. Maybe if we go back down here. I am determined to figure this out before we move on. No, there's nothing to copy over there. It just looks like that. Wait. Wait. Nope. Ow. No, that's not gonna work. Guess I can't copy the big snowball. I didn't mean to do that. Let's just move quickly so we don't get hit. Start walking backwards. Maybe it's down here. Oopsie. Ah! Come on, spawning me right next to 2 snowballs is definitely cheating. At this point, I'm really just looking for something that indicates that I can echo something. Get out of there. Dummy. Maybe there's not an echo that makes... Oh, maybe I have to figure something else out. Well, anything that's going to freeze over is going to freeze into ice and not snow, right? No, can't copy anything from there. Anything around Khan's house? No. Snowman? No. Can't be a monster, because little cowards are all afraid of monsters. That's one of you. No, but I have you guys. It's you. Do we have... I'm so stupid. That's how you... That's what you gotta use, right? I'm so dumb. Whoa, is this snow? That's amazing. Thanks for bringing it, miss. Okay if I touch it? Eee, so cold. It's so fluffy and crunchy. Brr, I got some in my mouth. That was fun. Hold out your hand, miss. Take some nectar. That was the best. I hope it snows. No, you don't. Okay, we're just gonna walk up instead of teleporting. We just teleported a lot. I feel like we can walk just this once. Why am I going? Here we go. And I'm going to go upgrade our sword. Yep, I would like to enhance my sword. I'd really like to enhance the sword energy again, but you're not going to let me do that. Alright. So it's twice as expensive to upgrade the weapons as it is the energy, and the energy is objectively better because you hit things more, which means more damage. So I was right. All of that I've done. Okay, let's start going this way. We're going to start heading to the left. Okay. I know I have your echoes, so I literally don't care about you. You too, birdie? You know what? You guys want to die so bad. Who am I to judge? Get him. Yeah, get him. I have him. I have him pinned. Grab him. Yeah. Okay, we can trigger a waypoint here, which is always nice. Scam guy. Oh, I don't get to see him yet. That's a shame. We're going to break into your thing and see what we can steal. Had you not opened the road, I'd never reach Hyrule Ranch. You're welcome. I guess. Ooh, can I have horse? I want this one. Where could she be? Ah, welcome to Hyrule Ranch. One of the horses got stressed and ran off. You got it. Run away, horse. Oh, we have another waypoint. Keep going left and we'll be at where we need to be in no time. Oh, what's up there? What's in that? There we go. What do we got? You got a monster stone. You. My arch nemesis. Stamp. 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 Yeah. Stamp guy. Can't wait to finish this dungeon and then you get the final one, and instead of doing that, I just go around forever and collect the stars. Still not back yet. Where could the scamp have gone off to? Can't find my cat anywhere. I have to suit of cat clothes for moments like this. Do you understand cat speech? I can't exactly ask to borrow an outfit she just bought. Do I find her? village. You might be able to find her if you get close to the translator from the woman in front of the shop. I assume this is not a shop, yeah, it's just a house. Let's find a shop in this town. I want the cat outfit, so we're going to do this. Okay, this is probably too far. Yep, now I'm back in Hyrule Field. Go around. Can I climb up this way? Yep. Come back! Bok, please come back! Little rebels who are getting along so well. 5 cuckoos in total. Is this the cat? Okay, 1. There's 2 right there. Why are these things immune to? There's 2. I see. Oh, Princess Zelda, hello. I'm here on the king's orders to help look into the rifts. Apparently the Gorons haven't been spared in all this either. Gorons have always been good neighbors. We're pretty worried about them. They got a new leader recently, but that's all we've heard. We don't know how to help them. We'd love to help them with the rift, but we're not cut out for the training monsters up there. Doesn't appear to be all we know, Your Highness. Gorons probably tell us all about the larger rift. Yeah, probably. I don't know. Let me find the birds. Oh, you. Yes, I just bought a suit of cat clothes. I mean, they let you talk to cats. How could I not buy them on the spot? What I forgot is that anytime I get close to a cat, I burst out sneezing. It's a real shame. I just bought them and I'll have to put them right into storage. Favor, I'll give you the cat clothes. Look over there. You see that cat? There's something important to me buried right where it's sitting. You mind digging it up for me? Cat refuses to move, and I get too close to be sneezing all over the place. I was just about to give up. On the bird. Oh, I also found the waypoint. Can I activate the waypoint when I have the bird? I can't. You wait right there. There we go. Waypoint has been recorded. We return this bird. We got what? 2 left? I will find the other 2 birds. This is my top priority now and for all time. Looking for some birds. Does anyone see any birds? Still 2 left. I guess the question is, how far out can they get? Well, not down here where there's actual monsters. Well, the cuckoos are infamous for destroying anything that gets even remotely close to them. My gut instinct is to say they have to be in town. But I don't know if that's how the game designers saw it. There's Birdie. One, 2, 3, 4. We need 1 more. Going to assume it's in the town because the rest of them were. This is too far. Also going to assume they're not inside because none of the other ones were. That. there's already one down here. Maybe one wants a smoothie or something? Here, birdie birdie. If I talk to her, she'll give me a hit. She better. Looking for the birds. One of my darlings. Nope, she won't. Where, oh, where could the birdie be? Where, oh, where could he be? I didn't mean to trigger this cutscene. Elden Volcano. Oh, that's a lot of lava. Who thought to build a village at the bottom of an active volcano? But there should be somewhere I can make a rift entrance up there. I wonder if we can find the Gorons. Nope, probably not. Oh, he's right up there. Bop. You thought you were smarter than me, but it's I who was smarter than you. Oh, shut up. Thank goodness you brought all my dear sweet cuckoos home. Please come this way. Thank you. I'm so glad all my cuckoos are back. They could be rather picky eaters. Ooh, we got a fairy bottle. By the way, did you know if you lift Coco over your head and jump from a high place, you'll glide through the air? Sure, that'll come in handy later, but I don't really care. Okay, how do we get this cat to move? Can I have the thing so I can talk to the cat? Then I'll get it to move? Or do I just have to bully this cat? Maybe you could lure it away with something like a fish? Cats love fish, right? Cats love bats. This is a sandfish, but a sandfish is still a fish, right? Nope, you can't push it away. Frog? Apparently not. We just have a snowball. Bird? Cats love birds. I don't know what this cat wants. We should probably just continue on the actual game. No, I don't want to. What does this cat want? Something in the item shop I can buy? I'm saving this guy's cat. That's more important than closing the rifts. Like chat.
Oh.
Yeah, Princess Zelda's off on an adventure.
Yeah.
Through a history to restore health.
Hmm.
Not this time?
Yeah.
For a potion that I'm like,
Oh.
thanks.
Hi.
No, I assume whatever this up here is going to be very helpful.
Yeah. Hmm? Yeah.
I'd like to. No, I would like to sell.
Oh, oh, oh.
What do I have that'll give me in range?
Hmm? Ah.
Here, you have two of
Hmm.
$300 worth of peppers.
Oh, oh, oh.
Alright, that's going to be helpful. I suspect the mountain has a lot of climbing that we'll be doing. Should probably save up money and go to the Great Fairy too. What do cats like? Cats like birds, right? Cats like other cats. I kind of echo the cat. No? I'll be back in just a second, guys. Guys, I'm so dumb. We just have a piece of raw meat. Or a piece of cooked meat. I think it's cooked. They have fires. I absolutely should cook their meat. Meow. What do I do? Where's my mole? I haven't seen a mole in a while. Mole, mole. Oh, we have grilled fish too. It's heavy with rupees. You buried your money in front of the windmill? Buried it because I kept buying impulsively, but once I dug it up. Where is it? I love it so much. Luigi gave me earlier was yummy. Can I do another piece of food? No? Okay. Kitty cat, kitty cat. This is the best old game ever. I can be a cat and talk to cats. Looking for a cat. Cat lives with the old man. Haven't seen her today. Ask him if cat. In the wall, maybe? No, I just treasure chest down here. I know they have some refreshing grapes, though. Should probably just do side quests for the sake of getting more rupees now that I think about it. Kitty cat, kitty cat. Here, kitty, kitty. We're seeing cats all over the place. Now that I have the stupid cat suit, we can't find any cats. I'll try this at home, kids. She in here? Why is this place? I have no idea what this place is. No. Oh, you want to recruit? Don't answer yet. First, put on your listening ears. You are a celebrity dojo, the only dojo where you can train via your dreams. I know. Training makes it sound like a spiritual journey or whatever, but it's real simple. First, I should have a dream, an astounding dream based on your life. Then, in that dream, defeat all the foes trying to get you. That's the whole training. Hold on. Right now, and all your training sessions are free of charge, but there's even more. If you keep out your training, there will be an astounding reward. I am so ready. We're just gonna go right down the list.
I didn't know this was here, guys. Kind of expected like a monster shop where they'd buy monster parts. Because it has a little red face outside. Close your eyes. Feel the energy flowing within you. All I have is my rod. Do I have... Nope. Razor Echo. Rock. Okay, let's make sure the rock is ready. Okay. Ooh, shoot. Okay, now we got that. East, if you will. Let me just summon you. There we go. And for the Octorok. That was easy. Open your eyes. Look at you split, you're even faster than the goal time. As you're training just one more time, I will have an astounding reward for you. To Carmadelia's revenge. Yes, I will close my eyes. Be able to use drinks or items that restore your hearts. I do have... Where's my Armadillo? That's version 1. I want version 2. There we go. I think you could really use a bomb. Or is it? Do I just... Fair enough. Do I lose my Search Fighter energy or no, because it's a dream? Ooh, we have some grapes. Oh, we got a piece of heart. Okay, that's actually really good. I'd love to take on the string. I also would love if I didn't have to go through this whole thing every time. I'll be able to use drinks or items that restore your hearts. It didn't work as anticipated. actually want to do that. Well, whatever. Okay. So we're gonna do bottom, and we got this guy, and then we're gonna come up here, and then you're gonna get. Now we're just gonna swoop down here, and jump up here. We gotta come over here. That guy. Come on. Dang it. Gotta restart right from in here. Oh, yeah. Oh, like quit.
Yeah. Ooh.
Yes, we'll try again right now.
Uh-huh.
Sorry, we'll try in the next episode. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you next time.